Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, Chicago's Union Station. I don't know what is it today. I don't know. What's the Blackhawks game? It is the 18th day of March, day after St. Patty's Day. So it kind of reminds me of the movie The Untouchables. So really cool stairway. We came in the other way. I didn't think it was this spacious, but still has the St. Paul appeal. Yeah, Blackhawks lost last night, but it was a fun game, 4-3 in overtime. We're heading back. We're having the time of our life. Kind of cool. It's on time. We're going back in the Borealis, which is just a Chicago to Minnesota train back and forth. We're leaving at 11:10. It's different trains. They have different, all kinds of stuff that goes. So. We came in that way. It was $28 from here. It took $40 going back that way. Now here's ours right here. There we go. 11:10. 13:33. We were 90 minutes late getting in, but I didn't care. It was fun. Bucket list coming to my Blackhawks. Let's see. Big architect, Union Station. The founder's room. I don't know if that's the stairway from the movie. I have no idea. You come in from this way, Clinton Street. Very spacious and clean. It's a big thing, so I'm using that way. Didn't realize Amtrak is celebrating 100 years of my Blackhawks. Saw the Greyhound bus depot when we came here. Nice flag, nice architect. A lot of Wild fans going back today too as well, I think. There's a big party that came with us at one time. Love these pillars, my God. Maybe build this place? Goodness. That goes outside. Kind of reminds me of the movie, oh God, what they, Untouchables, the steroids does. It does. I know. This is the canal too. Falling down this bad boy would be painful on the knees. I didn't think it was. We came in the other way, so I was a little when we got off the train. So I was misspoken about the way this looked. I apologize. I think a lot of the Union stations are all over the place. I've been to Penn Station in New York with Ted. Coming here. The ticket place over here. These things are just unbelievable. So beautiful they are. So now we all trains. You check your big luggage here, the Amtrak, and you put them on. There's the waiting over here. And here's your list. While you're Lakeshore Limited to Boston, Michigan, Quincy, St. Louis. That's the arrivals, departure, the bus. You got all your ticketing over here, all the ticketing. Here. We got some free pizza the other day. From Michigan. I need to get paper. I need to read anything in a few days. Chicago News, get some, should have a USA Today. Even open? Oh, this is the platform up here.
Track number 13. Track number 13.
Hopefully you're a lot of.
Track number 13. Track number 13.
The train's loading right there.
I'm a little upset. Track number 13. Track number 13. Number 11. Track number 11. Track number 9.
Track number 9.
Track
So,
number 9.
yeah.
Track number 7. Track number 7.
Get them all ready. Let's see.
Track number 7. Track number 9. Track number 7. Track number 9. Track number 9.
Go back this way. I don't know if that paper plate is open. But yeah, it's pretty expensive. See anybody in there? Get any paper? I don't know. And you go up this way if you want. that way. We got a food court. There you go. Man, it's cold down here. Wind's coming through. This must be the meta. Down here. No visitors, please. Anyways. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. No, I was just looking. We'll head on back. Anyways, guys, hope you like the little nickel tour of Union Station in Chicago. You know, walk around, how big it is. They incorporate a lot of the kind of like Minnesota does. All right, guys. See you next one. Thanks for the video. See ya.